Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Pandora Plus membership. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to open up my notes here. So I've compiled, there's about 3 or 4 different ways to do this. So like from a computer, from an iOS device, from iTunes and Android. So I'm going to go through each one by one, so you can just skip forward if you like. Alright, the first way is from a computer. So go to the Pandora website and log in with your account. And then you need to access your account. So click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select settings. And then in the settings menu, click on subscription and then find the cancel subscription option and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. And if you're using an Android device, open up the Pandora app and then tap on your profile icon and then tap on settings and then look for subscriptions. Click onto that and then cancel subscriptions. So tap on cancel subscription and follow the prompts to complete the cancellation. If you're using an iOS device, iPhone or iPad, open up settings app on your iOS device, tap on your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple ID settings, tap on subscriptions and then find and select your Pandora subscription and then tap cancel subscription and confirm the cancellation. And the last one here from iTunes on a computer. So open up iTunes on your computer and sign in with your Apple ID. Click on account in the menu bar, then select view my account. Then you want to scroll down to the settings section and click on manage next to subscriptions. And then find your Pandora subscription and click edit and then click cancel subscription. And one side note here, so make sure to cancel your subscription before the next billing cycle to avoid being charged. After cancellation, you'll still have access to Pandora Plus features until the end of the current billing.